Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are going to visit Miss Topsy. So stay with us and please do remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's take that journey up to Miss Topsy right now. Alright guys, so we are heading up. And it's been quite some time since we have come to visit Miss Topsy.
Quite some time?
Long time.
Long time.
Long time. It's so bad, but we just could not get to come until now. So we are thanking God for making that possible. And as you can see, there's a box on Marcel's shoulder. So we're also thanking this particular donor for making it possible as well. And of course, we'll say more when we reach by Miss Topsy. All right.
Place slippery now.
I realize. Whoa. It's still a little wet on because it has been raining a lot. So just the ground is saturated with water. Woo.
Yeah. Boy.
Rest time.
Feel?
For us. Whew.
Tell me when you're ready for rest, because I'm going still.
Why?
You're so wet bad.
I'll watch the stones. Okay, I'm resting.
Let me take something. Jesus.
Hill is tough, guys. Tough. Can't get used to it at all. Like somebody throw them soap. Sit on the ground. Where are they? Oh yeah, there it is.
You want that soap?
Yeah. First thought to come to my mind. Because it look, yeah, it's a sealed pack.
You want to come find it?
I suppose so.
You ready?
Ooh. Yeah. Let's go.
So one house over there, sir.
The house ended a long time.
We never used to see that.
Okay. Let me see if I can find it. Oh.
Come. Miss Topsy breadfruit done. And she a cook.
As usual. Whew. Have to be watching these stones, guys. Really slippery.
Boy.
Oh. Okay, we are here.
Miss Lisette? Yeah, puppy.
Puppy gave us away.
Miss Lisette? I know nobody on me. That's the first time people used to say.
Yeah, no, nobody on me.
I know nobody on me. Where am I there?
She said, where am I there?
See, I'm here. Miss Topsy. Good morning.
Hi, Miss Topsy. Morning, how you do?
You're too bad.
Oh, wow.
Every day I look for you.
Oh,
I can't see we.
I can't see you.
Finally, you see us now.
Lord have mercy.
Yes.
And you don't find the place when it's dirty.
Oh.
Eh?
Huh?
You don't come on the place dirty.
Don't worry yourself about that, man.
Because I see me this be done. I say me I go wipe out the butt from me no polish.
Oh, may I rest this right here, Miss Topsy? Oh.
God bless you.
Yes, yes, yes.
You want cheer?
No, Miss Topsy, we good. What you
Yeah,
was?
give you if you bring one.
Eh?
Yeah, give you chair if you can go yard.
No, sir. Anybody come get me.
Oh,
Happy me to them, much. Me to them. To me had them long then kind of wear out.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to sit down?
Yeah, me I go sit down.
You want me to put you over there, Sophia?
Right here, sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
The sun can put it to the corner. Yeah.
I can't believe sound.
A wee man. Oh Lord, we know we take long this time. This time we can actually say we take long.
Yes.
Because you always say we take long when we not take long.
so you speak it into being.
Sometimes I tell my friend out there, she said no take long.
Yeah.
But I chew me I look food with often.
Yes, yes. But you see the whole heap of rain we have, Miss Topsy.
The water coming for me
Again?
every day.
Oh no.
Every day.
So you have to be wiping out all the time? Uh-oh. Maybe you need something on the door if you back out the water.
He did a junior pulley.
Oh.
Something did the on the door about the junior pulley.
The water do this too, you know.
Yeah.
The water mash up the veranda. Like blow in.
You look like a dog that dig up it up.
Yeah, when you want place to sleep.
Oh, him dig it, and yeah.
But I know him directly dig it. Me glad for see you.
Yeah, we're glad to see you too.
Yes.
Well long to see you.
Everything. Everything.
Yeah.
My God. Me
Oh,
can't
yes.
believe you.
A wee man.
Let me look good.
Pinch yourself, see if you're asleep. If you're dream.
Eh, me not dream.
Oh.
Miss Topsy, so we come back when breadfruit done.
Yeah, breadfruit done. And me enjoy it.
You enjoy it?
Yes.
You roast salmon, boil salmon.
Roast and me boil and me fry.
Oh, wow.
Yes, that me love, you know.
Yes, you love the roast fried one.
Yes.
Okay.
When me boil it, when me roast it today, tomorrow me fry it. And
Yes.
sometimes, see me, the roast it so, me fry it. But that me
Yeah.
love.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
So
wow.
go along.
Nothing much. We come to you and bring your grocery. Yeah. One, we have a donor,
Yeah.
an anonymous donor from New Jersey, USA, and she
She said,
sent us money and asked us to buy you some things.
yes.
So we bought your chicken and you know this stuff that you normally use. We bring alcohol and stuff too and some food items for you.
Rubbing alcohol, you know.
Yes, Papa, me, baby.
Because she said alcohol, so the people might believe say like rum and something there.
And you was a no drink rum.
Yeah.
Yes, so Joe, Miss Topsy. So we bring all of that and your oats and you know
Yes.
so forth. So
Really good thing.
yeah, so it's a donor who she has donated to you before.
Yeah.
I think twice when we brought alcohol the first time for you. Remember the first time we bring you some alcohol and stuff? And I think when we brought the was it a thermos?
Thermos.
Yes, I think around that time too. Yes.
Yes. Remember?
Yes, so this is her third time now donating to you.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
man.
still remember me.
And she love you.
Oh.
She love you bad.
Yes. Oh, so good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
I say sometime I'm not here from number one. No, the granddaughter did call up for me now and keep my birthday.
Oh yeah, yeah. We came here since then, and you told us, and she brought the cake.
Yes. And 2 times
She come back.
yes.
Oh.
She 2 times.
Okay, okay.
So my son, our father that my son.
Yes.
When me tell you, so me couldn't, me didn't hear from him.
Yes.
Him send him fit check, come check me.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Yes.
Yes.
But me tell her still, say she come still, but we have one gentleman and one lady never let me out, then come look for me.
Yes.
And carry things, come give me.
Yes.
So sometimes when she come here, see you grocery, I see you here.
Okay, good. So you don't run out.
No good than last days here.
Yeah, you run out. But the Lord provide.
Yes.
Come just the right time.
Yes.
Come take it, Miss Topsy.
He did it. He way up there. He way up there. I hit you in here. No. He look come down.
Yeah, listen.
But as you look gone, so
Yeah.
come down.
Come fast.
A shy
Yes.
cat. Shy cat.
A junior baby. Lord, him a go on with something. We can't sleep at night. In cuss bad word, morning, noon and night.
Oh no.
If you will come on here a little more, little before now, you would have come here and grumble, but you can't hear them I say. But you see, when night come, when they want to sleep,
Yes.
at that time it one.
Oh no.
Cuss and go on. But me can't even get to say me prayers sometimes. He cuss one night in cuss, I tell me go to my bed and drop asleep. When me realize I feel me bed. For me oversleep.
Oh. Tired.
Me oversleep. Cause me no lovely and decent language.
Yes, yes.
We never grew up so in your yard.
No. Lord have mercy, Miss Topsy. I don't know what we are going to do. We have to just keep him in our prayers and changing ways.
Yes.
Still a drink and carry on.
Yes. And the worst now.
Yeah.
The worst now. So, me tell him, say, he say, no want no blessing. So he say, and when he ready in course, God, you know.
Lord have mercy.
Yes, which show you how him a go along back. So me I tell him, say, if me may have the second place, figure.
Go.
Yes, we go live. They left, come out, left again.
Jesus.
And make him stay, him one stay. So, he sent by soap last night.
Oh.
So him say,
So where is it?
he can't find it in on what part him put it.
He buy it for you, Miss Topsy. He buy it for you.
So how we know in our house?
In glassy.
And he may have bag.
Miss Topsy, we pass on pack of soap down there, so in the road halfway, so we are say maybe a junior last year when he might come up.
How why I say?
So him actually buy it, but maybe when him da come in, maybe drunk
Out
and...
bag.
Oh,
Come out I son no man.
He down there. He there down
You
there.
then right at the halfway if you come up. Yeah, but we ain't sure, so we didn't want to take it up. But now that you mention it, now we know for sure.
Yes. He said by. So he look like this man, you know, after I'm drinking tea. In the seated time, I run a go down the hill. So when he must have gone look for it, I gone back out of the shop. Yeah, one shop where I stay out there. So
Yes.
I'm my cousin them shop. But sorry, they not tell him nothing good. They not tell him nothing good. Then tell him about me.
So he ain't coming bitter.
So, what do you? When he come in now, he start for me, he cuss me from me head to me toe.
You have to do better, Miss Topsy.
Me can't go under then I sit
No,
here.
because you have to sleep when night comes.
Yes. And this is my problem. The head.
Yeah.
Yeah, the head hurt me. When he, if you should not lie me, I tell, come look your pan and come look pan this. Look pan this. See there, I saw he slam the door and And bust off
Oh, broke off the door jam.
Yes.
Lord have
So
mercy.
it's slammy. Catchy and slammy. Yeah, we are nearly up this time, you know, but I'm nearly up. And him want to
After security. Hey, dog.
he said, move puppy, go down. One!
See how the guy don't come up.
If I food he want.
Hungry.
Yeah, give him something, but, cornmeal done.
Oh, you turn cornmeal and give him.
The boiled porridge.
Her.
The boiled porridge and give him some.
Oh.
But me when I wash out my clothes, me never wash out all right done. Cause so me don't have no soap. So in Chappy soap.
Yeah, we see it, man. No soap powder down the road.
Last week me got tired. Oh, I know, out of Albertown.
You went to Albertown last week?
Yes.
Finally.
But where you think me go there? Me think say the parts then come.
Oh.
But he never had time for it to come yet.
Yes.
So,
Oh, you go too early.
next month it will come.
So safari, I forgot collect that, Miss Topsy?
Yes, Albertown. But why me ask them to change it for me?
This button look like it pop off.
Oh.
You have to keep it like that.
They have only one blouse under it.
Yeah, we see. Yeah.
So, why me not no worry with them again to send it up here? Sometime when time me go dry Albertown, I so come back, me have little something for as they working money so in drink you.
That's bad.
Yeah, they working drinking. Me not saying I buy something, you know.
Yeah.
But a one night dinner. And me with I wait for him to carry something come, let me get it to cook. When he come in at night, all then 12 o'clock, he might give me him something to eat.
That time it's too late.
Bread, bread. Me can't feed man bread.
Oh boy.
He not go on good, man.
You have very rough, Miss Topsy.
Yes, he not go on good. Every time me wonder, say, I want me do. I want me pick up on myself. Me should have make him stay with party in the park. He not help me.
Yes.
What's in the day?
Albertown, we didn't live, you know.
Oh.
But him being live to himself, the way how him a go on.
Yes. Oh, but when you come back down here now.
And then we move back down here now when we get this house. Family, I know we are Albertown, did people. Nobody see me a go on, they don't know what me a go on there.
Yeah.
All of me a go on down the road there. The cousin them have said to me, say, but Miss Topsy, you're strong man. But some of them know, especially down I shop here so.
Yeah, they know what go on.
Yes, they know what him a go on. So them a ask me why make him a go on so.
Yeah.
Me no. Then say me no know. Me said dopey but see the pan.
The pan dopey.
And me a see so. Me say me laugh. Me see you know. Cause April no come here me no laugh. Oh God. But the children them all right.
Yes,
too.
man. Everybody is doing well. I give God thanks.
I don't know fat.
That's fat.
We forgot cut with food.
Why not that fat? Nobody no business with too over fat man for this thing sugar. Sugar take charge of people now.
Yeah, so we have to cut down.
Yes. Sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me glad to see you know.
Yes.
And the panda, you know, they in clap down there so at night time with the hand.
Oh.
Meantime, I might eat with the hand.
Oh, so the grease on it and
Yes,
stuff.
so now lean back too much. I mean, they have no time if you wipe you. Sometimes you have to wipe off with the cloth.
Okay.
And soap. And in can no soap come.
Yeah, they are.
So then true.
They're halfway down the road. Maybe we have to go put it in the actual pass and see. Yeah, because once you come up, we see it.
But at night him a come here.
Lord have
I mean, I
mercy.
know where him there. All time my cousin there. I tell him, me should buy food. And me should go work. Yes! Me can't work.
How tell her that?
No, Junior, no, why him and them talk out there.
Lord have mercy, Miss
And come
Topsy.
in with this thing in my mouth, you know, what you call it, mobia. And that me hear him a take up and attack. When he in a room there and him out there so. Me hear him attack about. Me say, but Junior, you know what is out there? He no answer me. Me say, tap taxi in ya. Cause you don't know what name so. You go hear them and go and tell you all kind of thing. Every time you go to Kaya, I come in back. In like this I'm gone.
Wow.
Sometimes when he cost meantime he cost me in my room and me have sing say get away, Satan, get away. Yeah. I him no know, you know.
Yes, yes.
So, me singing in my mind, I whisper it. So tell him quiet down for. He don't know what me I say, but he must hear me I whisper.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. One night I take fire and burn up one whole pine clothes so.
Lord have mercy.
That are the dirty one, true.
No one wash them?
Yes, and me can manage it.
Lord have mercy.
Me can't go manage him if you wash out the first water.
Yeah.
And true, me now wear them dirty. No more want 2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you just rinse them out.
Yes, sir.
Wow, you have it real difficult, Miss Topsy.
Terrible. I mean, God, me not tell no lie upon him. But sometimes if he buy food, so tell you can't manage it. And another time hungry kill you. Oh.
Oh no.
Me thank God my life spare. Yeah. Yes. And we give God everything.
Yes.
And tell him everything. And when I have to tell him if I see and, and he know. Yes.
Oh wow. Yeah.
But me God me hear from my son.
Yes, that's good news.
Yeah, me God me hear from him.
Yeah.
And if Kenisha can grocery come here, he see her once a while he come here. That's what I'm saying.
That's your son, John. Okay.
See her once a while he come here. We say, but in China something we get if he eat for one carry, the one can eat here.
Yeah.
He shut up. Yeah, man.
All right, Miss Topsy. So me know me not to end before you tell the donor thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
And thank you too, because how you that the Hilton, how me see you in a bush.
Oh.
We give you thanks, the throne of thanks and praise, and thank the donor. If you remember me so far.
Yeah.
Because sometimes we have to start to sing one little song, say, I'm nobody's child, just like a flowers. I'm growing wild, you know what?
Sing it here, Miss Topsy.
I'm nobody's child, I'm nobody's child, just like a flowers. I'm growing wild. Yes. No mommy's kissing, no daddy's smile. I remember the other part.
Oh, wow.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yeah. Yes,
Yeah. Oh, God.
Wow.
It was a joker, you know. It was a joker.
Yes.
Anyway, then thank you all to remember me.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
man.
thank the donors. Them to remember me.
Yeah, we thank God for making all of this possible.
Yes,
Yeah.
she came, come up here, especially up on this hill. When anytime they go Albert Town, and come down the road, there, so.
Yes.
If me can pin that shell, and the boy, me have to call to come meet me. If me can manage the hill with me, you know. And me have to call. Just, no problem. No trouble, no trouble.
So that was?
Then I say I'm money.
Was?
Well, I ain't gonna know.
Pray to the donors that the Lord will help them
Yes.
and supply their needs from on high. Just like how the Lord supply my needs from on high. And I never give up.
Never.
And tell them don't give up. Just
Yes.
trust in the Lord. All walk, tangle up them foot. They must trust in God and believe in the Lord Jesus Christ. And they shall be saved on the judgment day.
Yes.
And tell them many, many thanks.
Them I hear you.
Yes, the thanks what I have to give them. They can't do it. Not
They
in
can't do any thanks.
No, not in a lifetime. Because all I know gone and anytime I cook,
Yes.
as I hit, the thanks still upon them.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Well said, Miss Topsy. Well said. Okay, so we can end the video now? We can end it now.
Yes, you can end it.
Alright guys, so once again Miss Topsy said everything, but just to extend that thanks to everyone, thanks to all our donors, much love and blessing, and this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye bye.
Bye.
Alright.
Bye-bye, donuts.